Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to put refrigerant in a Cadillac ATS. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Next, locate the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's AC line, typically found on the larger diameter pipe. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool before you begin. This preparation ensures a safe and effective recharge process for your car's air conditioning system. Now, let's connect your AC recharge kit. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting from the kit to the low-pressure service port you just located. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated. Then, securely screw the can of refrigerant onto the charging hose. Before starting your engine, observe the gauge reading to get a baseline of your current AC system pressure. This step is crucial for accurate charging. With everything connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Start your engine and set your car's air conditioning to its maximum cold setting with the fan on high. Slowly press the trigger on the refrigerant can, allowing the gas to flow into the system. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your kit. You're aiming for a reading within the manufacturer's recommended range, typically indicated on the gauge itself. Once the pressure gauge indicates the correct level, stop adding refrigerant. Carefully disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure service port, being mindful of any residual pressure. Finally, test your car's air conditioning system. You should feel noticeably colder air coming from the vents. Enjoy your refreshed AC, and remember to dispose of the empty refrigerant can responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.